Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal. We do estate planning, trust administrations, and probates in California. This question is designed to answer, why do I need a power of attorney? Or do I need a power of attorney? What the heck is a power of attorney? So we're going to be talking about a financial power of attorney in this video. What does it do and why the heck do you need one? So powers of attorney, let's start there. This is a legal document that you would sign giving someone, a person or an entity, the ability to make financial decisions for you, usually in the event that you are incapacitated. You're in a coma, you have dementia, sometimes you're out of town for a really long period of time. Sometimes we'll sign powers of attorney to have someone, buy a piece of real estate. There's all sorts of really cool things you could do with powers of attorney. But for this purpose, we're talking about how does someone manage your finances if you're not able to. So the power of attorney is really important. You'll often hear them called durable powers of attorney, and that means that that power of attorney continues to work after you're incapacitated. That's usually the most of them that we create. We want to make sure that if you're, let's say, in a coma, someone's going to need to pay your bills. So let's get you a power of attorney to make sure that's handled. Question I often get is, but I have a trust. What do I need a power of attorney for? Well, the trust only has so many assets in it. Not everything goes in the trust. IRAs don't go in the trust. Insurance isn't in the trust. Sometimes you have bank accounts. Those sorts of things, you really need a power of attorney to supplement the trust to have a comprehensive financial estate plan. Okay, and then in terms of the things that a power of attorney can do, you can be really broad. You can give it all sorts of authority. And you can also be really limited. I only want you to do this thing. I recommend that you come up with 3 names at a minimum to act in the event that you are not able to. Oftentimes, these will be the same people as your trustee because we trust them to make financial decisions, whether we're incapacitated or whether we've passed away. So you don't have to worry too much about going, do I need a power of attorney and a trustee? Usually they end up being the same people. Sometimes they don't, but that's really a question for the lawyer conversation of like, what does your situation need? And exactly what does that look like? So powers of attorney for finance. Hopefully that's answered your questions on those for now.